Hey guys, welcome back to Bugs and Bugs. Today in this video, we are going to solve the Cyber Heist CTF, which was organized by Gurugram Cybersecurity Internship program. So, a lot of people were having difficulties to solve this challenge. So, we are going to solve each of the challenge one by one in our videos. So, in this video, we are going to solve the first challenge of this CTF. So, the challenge name is all about web. Let's get started. Okay, so the challenge is all about web, and here's the mission. Our heist has come to a position where we are stuck with the web interfaces, but we need your help. Visit, and there is a link, hall.hackershala.com. Okay, so let's open that. Okay, so there is an enrollment and the password. So that means we have to type enrollment ID and the password, but we don't know that. Okay, so let's at here. We have to submit all the flags to complete the challenge. There are two flags. Flag 1 will give us 50 points. Flag 2 will give us 30 points. Okay, so here there's a title, database is the king for the first flag. Okay, let's see the hint for that. Okay, so the hint says make admin your friend. So maybe there is a username called admin. So we can try for this. We can go for enrollment equal to admin and password equal to, maybe that could work. Okay. Let's go for that. Just admin, enrollment and the password. Though it says password incorrect, access denied. That means the password is wrong. Okay, so maybe we have to try the password. Okay, so let's go for it. These are some basic credentials. Sometimes it can work, sometimes not. So it says password incorrect. Okay, so there was a hint, database is the king. That means we can try SQL injection, maybe that could work. So let's put here semicolon dash dash is. Okay, so first let me explain you. So suppose there is a query, select asterisk from users where enrollment equal to admin and password equal to admin. So suppose this is the query working there and this is the input we put there for the enrollment and the password, which was admin. So it's going to check if both of these conditions are true because there is an end there. So if both of these conditions are true, then it's going to log us in. But this username is correct, but the password is wrong. That means one condition is false here. That means it's not going to log us in. So if we put here the username, what username we applied now? Admin, and suppose there is getting the input, the single inverted comma. So we have to take that query. Okay, so how can we do that? First we type the username, then close this inverted comma by putting an inverted comma in our username, and then we can use dash dash and space, which is going to comment out everything. So if we put this username, let's copy this and replace this username with this. So here we can see our single inverted comma is fixing the query, that means balancing it, and after that dash space is commenting out everything after that. So now what the query is, select asterisk from user where where enrollment is admin. That means it's not going to check for password now. It's only going if there is any user with that name, then log that. Okay, so let's try this. We have already put the username there, and we can put any password, or maybe don't put the password and click the log. See, we got the flag here. You can see that. Okay, so this is the flag. Let's copy that and paste it here. Now submit. See, the flag is correct. And we can also try one more thing here. Suppose this is the case and we don't know the username. Like we can type any username like bugs and bugs, which is not there, which is wrong. And we are going to add one more thing here, for 1 equal to 1. So what orders it's going to check? One of the condition in them must be true. So bugs and bugs is false because there is no user with that name. But 1 equal to 1 is true. So it's going to log us in for the first user which is present in the database. And if we use this and replace the username with this value, then after that this is going to comment out everything. It's going to check for this condition. Either this must be true or this must be true. Then it's going to log us in and we can try that username also. Okay, so let's go for this. Click on login. Now you can see we are logged in. Okay, but if you try directly this without or condition, so there is no user with the bugs and bugs name, so it's not going to log you. Password incorrect system. So that was the first part of this challenge. Now let's go for the another part. We have completed the first flag. Now go for the another flag. It's saying even Google can't. Okay, let's see the hint. Search the site. We have to search the site. That means we have to crawl the site. We have to look the URLs of that site. So, and it's saying even Google can't. Okay, so Google is used the robots.txt file to crawl any site. Okay, and there are some headers. Let me show you. Like suppose this is the file robots.txt. Okay, so what it does, like suppose it contains a text disallow which says admin and allow login. So what does this mean? This header disallow tells the Google that never display this directory when someone search for this domain name or this site, and this allow header tell the Google that it can display this directory to the users. Now if we go to Google and search for this site, let's go there. Let's do this. Copy the domain name and go to Google. Now if we type site, then what it's going to do, it's going to look for the login page, which is this. That means this is allowing Google. But what if there is other directory like admin, which the robots.txt file says to the Google do not display that. So how can we see that? We can see that directory by directly going to the robots.txt file like this. Now we got the another flag. What's there? Okay, so now copy that, paste it, submit. The flag is correct. So that was it for this video. We solved the first challenge of this CTF, and we are going to solve all of the challenges one by one in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned with the bugs and bugs. keep watching. So thanks for watching our video. Please hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of our channel, of our videos. Okay, and comment down if you have any query with our video. Thank you.